Hello there. The Nissan Primera P12 has a steering wheel lock that makes it harder for a thief to steal, but it's not immediately obvious how to use it. This video therefore explains how to lock the steering wheel and how to unlock it. Oi, thief! Buzz off! Welcome to Castby TV. Okay, let's take a moment to recap the basics. My Nissan Primera is parked, the engine's off and the key has been removed. However, I can still turn the steering wheel a considerable distance in both directions so it isn't locked. A further step is therefore required. To lock the steering wheel, park with it straight, then turn the vehicle's ignition key as far left as possible to its own locked position. This, of course, among other things, turns off the engine. Next, turn the wheel 1/6 of a rotation clockwise until it clicks. Note that the wheel behaves differently now it's locked. I can only move it a very small distance in either direction. To unlock the steering wheel, twist the ignition key gently to the right. You'll then feel it jam. However, maintain this gentle pressure on the key and simultaneously turn the wheel left and right. And that's it, job done. We know how to work the steering wheel lock on a Nissan Primera P12. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's free, ask any questions in the comment section and do me a favour and click like on this video. Finally, check out the Nissan Primera Owners Club, which is a fantastic resource. Find it at www.npoc.co.uk. Right, that's all for now. Oi, thief, I told you to go away. Honestly, some people...